Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact BMO customer service. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to open any of the web browser. And next in the top there's this address bar, type down bmo.com and enter it. And from here you need to select the country and the language here. So I'm going to select this English BMO US. And once you get inside this home page, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. And over here go to this customer support. And once you reach to this customer support, over here you'll find frequently asked question. And if you find any relatable issue over here, you can simply open it. And over here you can simply find this instruction here. You need to follow the on-screen instruction. Or if you need more help, what you can do is scroll a bit down and you can find this get in touch. And from here you can find this number here. For the general inquiry, you can call to this number. And for the credit card inquiries, you can call to this number over here. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.